So guys, if you are willing to start your own YouTube channel or you're already into YouTube but you think that you don't have the required equipment to start off your channel with good quality videos, well, let me tell you my friend, you are wrong. If you only own a decent enough smartphone, whether it's iOS or Android, you can easily produce good quality videos, shoot them, edit them, upload them, and then reply to comments and monitor your stats just from your Android device. So with that being said, hey guys, in today's video, let me show you how you can run a proper YouTube channel with all the bells and whistles just with your smartphone. So with that being said, let's get started. So assuming that you're starting from scratch, you first need to have your own YouTube channel. Well, how to do it with your smartphone? Well, it's simple. You just need to download the Chrome application and switch to the desktop mode. Once done, you can easily create a YouTube channel from the given options and it will just take 5 minutes to do so. So with that being said, now you have your own YouTube channel up and running just from your Android device. So guys, once you have your own channel, it's time to create a good channel art or channel icon. And for that, you need to download the PicsArt and the Snapseed application. In the PicsArt app, you can easily add text onto some background and create a channel art required for your channel. Make sure you edit the image in the correct dimension or else you cannot use it. Also, if you don't want to work hard, then go to Google and search some channel arts and you can easily find one. Now for the channel icon, again you can do the same manner by using the two apps to add text to a certain backdrop, and voila, you have your channel icon up and running. Now after this, you need to think about the topic you need to say or make the video on. Once done, it's time to shoot the video. Now if you're shooting yourself or you are shooting an A-roll, in that case, first of all you need to do is open up your default camera app, or you can use the open camera app to shoot the video footage. Make sure that your face is well exposed and also try shooting in silent surroundings as background noise will be there. But one tip is that you can remove the background noise in post-production, so you need to keep silent for a few seconds before starting the video so that the background noise can be recorded and filtered out later. Now if you're shooting handheld, then open up Google Photos app and from there stabilize the footage you shot. A good friend of mine, Shomodi Pathur, made a detailed video on that, so here's a card to his video. Now if you want to improve your stability, you can cut the edges of your phone box like this to place your phone in such a manner so that you can attain some more stable footage. Now if you don't want this kind of a setup, you can always invest in some good tripods. I will link some good tripods down in the description box below. Now that was all about the A-rolls part. But if you're shooting some B-rolls, that is some close-up shots of some products that you're reviewing or some other still shots, then the procedure is a bit different. You need to download some applications like Filmic Pro, Cinema AV5 or Cinema 4K based on what phone you are using, and then adjust the video settings manually ranging from ISO to focusing before shooting. But keep one thing in mind, that these apps are paid, but getting them for free is not a big deal in my opinion. Now once you got your prerequisites clear, it's time to shoot some shots. Now I will recommend you to shoot some shots at 1080p 24fps or 720p 24fps because you cannot handle 4K footage with a smartphone. I personally shoot all my videos at 1080p 24fps with my smartphone. Now once you have the desired shots, stabilize them in Google Photos and you are done. Now if you already have the A-roll with the audio, it's no issue. But if you are working with some B-rolls, a voiceover needs to be done. So for this, download the RecForge 2 audio recorder and bring down the sensitivity to -14 decibels or -17 decibels based on the background noise. And now bring your phone close to your mouth, but make sure it doesn't catch your breath. And now start recording the audio. So after the shooting part is done, it's time to edit your videos. Now for that, download the Cyberlink Power Director app along with the KineMaster Pro and the Legend application. Now first two ones are paid, but again you can get them for free. Now Power Director and KineMaster both have their pros and cons, so let's not dive into it. Now import the video footage along with the audio clips onto your timeline and then start editing them as per your liking. Now there are plenty of tutorials on YouTube on how to edit with these two softwares, so you can take a help from them in order to learn how to edit on your smartphone with those softwares. Now you can also use the Legend application to create some small text animations both in landscape and portrait mode and then export them at 1080p, and then you can add them onto your video and also make some cool intros with it. Now once you have finished your editing, go and export your file, and there you have a complete video. Now after your video is finished, if you see that there is a lot of noise in the audio, then you can always extract the audio from the video file and then you can put it in the Lexis audio editor application. Now there are plenty of tutorials on YouTube which teach you how to reduce the noise with this application. Check them out and your problem is solved. Now once you have corrected your audio, go ahead and again merge the video file with the audio in your editing software, and then you have your finished video and you're ready to upload it. But before that, create the thumbnail. Now for that, take a screenshot from the final video, or else create a thumbnail separately by using the apps like PicsArt, Pixel Lab and Snapseed to add some text, but make sure that the thumbnail is relevant to your video topic. Now once your video footage and thumbnail are ready, just upload it via the Chrome browser as I taught you earlier, and there you have it. Your video is uploaded on YouTube. So there you have it. Starting from creating a channel to replying to comments, all of it can be done just with your smartphone. And well, if you're still confused about the outcome, well, let me tell you, all my videos before the unboxing of the MacBook Air were done in this fashion. So with that being said, please share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel before leaving. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.